Is this your first hypnobirth? Or have you already attended classes and looking for some extra albums to add to your hypnobirthing practice routine? Well, if you've already attended classes, then check out our extra resource bundle. It has 4 of the most popular albums that are designed to complement your hypnobirthing practice. You'll have The Glove of Endorphins, a fear release to listen to on some other occasions leading up to your big day, Prompts for Birthing, which is especially designed to be used during your labour and your birth, and of course Breastfeeding and Bonding with Baby album, so you can continue on with your positive affirmations and your positive mindset post-birth. Now, if you haven't attended classes and you're still looking to prepare yourself well for a positive and empowered birth, then we do have some other options for you. You could join a class. We have classes available in every state and territory of Australia. Just go to our website, click on the Find a Class to locate your closest registered practitioner, and you and your partner attend the 12-hour course together. You get comprehensive training materials, personal attention throughout, and your practitioner is available to also answer questions that you may have along the way. It is a fantastic way to learn and highly recommended. Now, the other option is you can join our Hypnobubs online course. This is a fantastic alternative if you can't attend the face-to-face course, because it includes comprehensive video tuition and practice sessions throughout. It has 5 long play hypnobirthing tracks, our ebook, online support, and you also have access to the course 24/7. And you can go back and rewatch the videos if you like and complete the full course within your own time frame. So it is without a doubt the most comprehensive, up-to-date and professional online hypnobirthing course available, and we are just so proud to be able to offer you this fantastic online option. To join, again, go back to our website and you can go to the shop and purchase the Hypnobubs Hypnobirthing online course. Now, if you're not quite ready to commit to the full face-to-face or online course, but you want to still dip your toes in the water, then the Hypnobirthing Practice Bundle is a great way to start, and it provides a number of tools to assist you in achieving a more natural, positive and empowered birth. You will receive 4 of our most popular practice albums, including our famous Surge of the Sea, which also includes the affirmations, Glove of Endorphins, a fear release, and Prompts for Birthing, which is specifically designed for birth. You also receive our exclusive Little Book of Hypnobirthing ebook, which offers a quick and easy resource guide and provides essential information on a number of the techniques taught in our classes. So this package is a great entry level to hypnobirthing. And as an added bonus, because we know you're going to love it, if you decide to upgrade to face-to-face classes with a participating Hypnobirthing Australia practitioner within 4 months of purchasing this bundle, you receive a $50 discount off your class fee. Or if you can't attend face-to-face classes and you decide to upgrade to the full Hypnobubs online course, you get a full $59, the whole value of the bundle, back off your Hypnobubs online course. So as you can see, you have absolutely nothing to lose. So just go to our website to get started. We have helped thousands of mothers and birth partners worldwide to prepare for calm, empowering and positive birth using these techniques and these resources. They really can make all the difference to helping you to achieve your own beautiful birth. We know you're going to love our program. So to join a class or purchase a bundle or join our online course, please just follow the links below. And we also have a number of other great resources available to you for free, yes, free, on our website. So make sure that you go to our website, also check out our Facebook page and our YouTube channel, of course, if you're looking for some further information or inspiration, because our door is always open. We'd love to hear from you. So I'm wishing you a beautiful, calm and positive birth experience. Looking forward to keeping in touch with you. And you know what? You deserve a calm, beautiful, empowered birth. It's your birthright. Bye for now.